The Ginkgo Beyond portable desk fan is the perfect combination of function and elegance. The fan features a flat, ultra-thin base and a cylindrical stand crafted from sustainable natural wood, adding a touch of sophistication to your desk or bedside. Equipped with 5 blades, the fan operates quietly while providing powerful airflow, ensuring your space stays cool without any disruptive noise. In a world awash with Pixel 6 screens and dopamine loops, clarity feels like a luxury. But what if the tool you use to read, think, and create could do less harm while helping you do more? The Paper 7 doesn't chase your gaze with glitter. It offers calm. It restores a space where thought, expression, and comfort belong together. This is not another screen. It's a pause in the static. Meet Paper 7, an all-day color paper tablet engineered to prioritize your well-being and creative rhythm. In a world where countertop space is precious and adventure calls beyond the walls of your kitchen, the Coffee Jack V2 brings professional-grade espresso to the palm of your hand. Engineered with a proprietary planetary gear system, it generates the high pressure necessary for authentic espresso extraction, without cords, bulk, or compromise. Whether you're brewing in a mountain cabin or your urban apartment, the Coffee Jack V2 delivers cafe-quality espresso consistently, every time. Transform your space with the amzn.to 2-in-1 floor lamp, a powerful lighting solution designed to enhance both style and function. Standing at an impressive height of 70 inches, this versatile lamp offers 2 distinct lighting options. The 3000 lumens LED torchiere lamp delivers bright, consistent illumination, perfect for illuminating large areas such as living rooms or bedrooms. Meanwhile, the RGB corner lamp adds a unique touch, creating vibrant lighting effects that are ideal for game rooms or spaces where you want to introduce an energetic atmosphere. Built for writers who demand excellence, the AI06 Max stands as a cutting-edge navigation companion. With its seamless integration of CG Quick Release Base, BMW Quick Release Base, and an array of mounts, it adapts effortlessly to different bikes, offering unmatched mounting flexibility. Whether you're touring on a BMW GS or hitting the back roads with a sport bike, this system locks in securely and detaches with ease. Low Free Edge sets a new standard for mechanical keyboards with its ultra-low profile, combining elegance and performance. Featuring a 75% layout, it offers a compact design perfect for those seeking efficiency without compromising on functionality. This keyboard's low-profile switches enhance typing speed and comfort, making it ideal for professionals or anyone who values smooth, responsive keystrokes. Introducing the Novadrum Tongue Drum 2.0, a refined and innovative instrument that promises to bring harmony to your musical journey. This enhanced version offers a unique double-sided design, providing twice the number of notes and expanding your sonic possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a beginner, this drum is designed for ease of use while offering a professional, clear sound. With each tongue finely tuned, the Novadrum delivers exceptional sound quality, thanks to precise calculations of distance and harmonic combinations. Skip the store-bought blends loaded with additives. This streamlined system lets you create your own nut, grain, or vegetable drinks right at home. Faster, cleaner, and more satisfying than traditional methods. Everything happens in a single 24 ounces container. Soak your almonds, blend your oats, filter your veggies, and remove the pulp all in one go. No mess. No need for extra tools or multiple bowls. Whether you're navigating a crowded train or zoning in at a quiet cafe, the Sony WFC710N earbuds adapt to your environment without compromising clarity or comfort. Designed for audiophiles and daily commuters alike, they integrate advanced noise canceling with dual noise sensor technology to block distractions using dual microphones. This means more focus on music and podcasts, less on outside chatter. Engineered for endurance, the earbuds offer up to 8.5 hours of continuous playback. Forged for environments too treacherous for traditional machines, the Lynx M20 fuses wield agility with legged precision to navigate where others fail. This next-generation mobile robot redefines terrestrial mobility, bridging the gap between speed and dexterity. On smooth surfaces, it glides on wheels at speeds up to 11.2 miles per hour. When terrain turns hostile, rubble, stairs, wetland, or steep slopes, the M20 locks its wheels and switches to a walking gait. Banish countertop clutter and streamline your oral care with a design built for performance and precision. This high-speed toothbrush spray system eliminates the hassle of separate tubes and cups, merging convenience with power in every detail. Its X-Flow toothpaste tech ensures an even high-pressure blend of water and toothpaste with every pass. The dual-nozzle system delivers a consistent 360-degree spray that targets hard-to-reach areas while minimizing waste. XeraGrow revolutionizes hair regrowth with cutting-edge technology designed for your convenience. Harnessing the power of 650-nanometer medical lasers, it offers the ideal wavelength to stimulate hair follicles and promote natural regrowth. This smart, lightweight device is engineered for effortless use, requiring only 15 minutes per week to make a difference. Featuring 80 medical-grade lasers, XeraGrow employs a sophisticated detection system to tailor treatment to your needs. Face AI is a breakthrough in AI-driven communication, designed to transform the way you interact with technology. This sophisticated holographic assistant goes beyond simple virtual assistants, offering a seamless, multidimensional interface that combines advanced AI with lifelike projection technology. With FaceAL, productivity skyrockets as it integrates smoothly into everyday tasks, whether you're working, studying, or managing personal projects. In a world where screen fatigue is common and meaningful play is rare, a new form of chess learning has emerged, one that unites tradition with innovation. Sense Robot offers a transformative way to learn, play, and connect through chess, complete with a robotic arm that makes every move tangible. With 25 adjustable AI levels mimicking real-life ELO ratings, you'll always have the right level of challenge across the board. Beyond the game, Sense Robot teaches. Dive into 14 introductory and 11 beginner courses that break down piece movement, rules, and opening strategies in an intuitive step-by-step format. When performance matters most, the BioLite Dash 450 steps up with precision and reliability. Engineered for endurance athletes and serious adventurers, this headlamp delivers an impressive 450 lumens and throws a focused beam up to 295 feet, ensuring every step ahead is lit with clarity. Its optimized lens design sharpens illumination for confident movement, whether you're slicing through a night trail or clocking miles before sunrise. In the quiet moments of early morning, your bird stirs, stretching its wings within a space designed for motion, comfort, and peace. The Really Smart Bird Cage redefines avian care through intelligent automation and purposeful design. With a generous interior measuring 32 by 18 by 71 inches, your bird gains the freedom to glide, perch, and play without constraint. 8 total access points, 4 in the front, 4 on the sides, allow easy interaction and dynamic play with attached toys or branches. The Neewer ER 139.4-inch motorized camera slider is a versatile tool for capturing smooth, professional-quality video and time-lapse photography. This motorized slider features a carbon fiber construction, offering both strength and lightweight portability. With its sleek design, it supports a variety of shooting modes, including horizontal, tracking, and 120-degree panoramic shots, ideal for dynamic cinematic content. With its robust build and impressive features, the Neewer ER1 elevates the quality of any production. The Blizz Portable Micro Mist Humidifier offers a unique solution for on-the-go hydration, delivering a fine, cooling mist wherever you need it. Whether you're on a run, teaching a class, or performing, this lightweight device ensures you stay refreshed and energized. With its compact size and easy-to-carry design, it seamlessly fits into your routine, providing comfort and convenience in every spray. Soft light flickers like a fireplace glow while cool mist drifts gently through the air. This is the calm delivered by the Air-Ethereal Ultrasonic Flame Diffuser. Designed to elevate your indoor atmosphere, this diffuser mimics the look of a glowing flame using warm LED lights and ultra-fine nano mist. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil and let the air around you transform. Cleaner, more fragrant, and easier to breathe. Achieve cafe-quality drinks with ease using this innovative milk frother. Designed for those who appreciate the finer details of a perfect latte or cappuccino, it creates smooth, velvety microfoam that elevates your beverages. With a generous 15 ounces capacity, it easily accommodates multiple servings, making it ideal for both single cups or larger family gatherings. The Unitree Go-To is an advanced robot dog that blends cutting-edge technology with remarkable agility. Designed for both novice and experienced robot enthusiasts, the Go-To offers a wide range of capabilities tailored to various skill levels. The Go-To Air model is ideal for beginners, with basic movements such as walking and running, while the Go-To Pro model is more sophisticated, featuring additional advanced gaits and increased challenge for enthusiasts seeking a deeper experience. Capture professional-grade audio in any environment with this sleek wireless lavalier mic system engineered for modern creators. Built to sync effortlessly with iPhone 15 or 16 and USB-C Android devices, this compact powerhouse delivers hi-fi sound without the hassle of tangled wires or complicated setup. Whether you're recording a vlog on the go, streaming live, or capturing interviews, this microphone adapts quickly to your needs. Small but powerful, the C110 is a compact camera designed for seamless adventure, capturing stunning moments on the go. This ultra-portable device weighs just 79 grams, fitting easily in your pocket while delivering exceptional performance. With a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view and distortion correction, every shot is clear and true to life. Whether you're filming in 4K at 30 frames per second, 2K at 60 frames per second, or capturing fast action at 1080p with 120 frames per second. Xiaomi's wireless AR glasses push the boundaries of augmented reality technology by providing a lightweight, high-performance device designed for seamless, wire-free experiences. At just 126 grams, these glasses are powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 1 platform, offering an impressive low-latency connection that delivers a near-instantaneous AR experience. With a wireless latency as low as 3 milliseconds, the glasses ensure smooth interaction. The Atari TWO 6000 Plus brings a fresh twist to the classic gaming experience, offering an upgraded version of the original Atari TWO 6000. This modernized console is compatible with both Atari TWO 6000 and 7800 cartridges, expanding the gaming library for fans of retro titles. Featuring HDMI output, it seamlessly connects to modern TVs, providing crisp visuals, while the widescreen mode enhances gameplay on larger screens. Raw performance meets refined mobility in the all-new ROG XG Mobile, a compact juggernaut engineered for gamers and creators who demand more from every frame and port. Outfitted with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, the XG Mobile delivers jaw-dropping ray tracing, AI-powered upscaling, and next-gen acceleration for AAA games and 3D rendering alike. The Dream X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a seamless cleaning experience for modern homes. Equipped with 20,000 Pascal suction power, this device provides a thorough deep clean, efficiently picking up dust, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, preventing any bumps or interruptions to its cleaning path. Cool-headed focus meets minimalist form in this versatile desktop companion. The Baseus refreshing monitor, clip-on and stand-up desk fan delivers efficiency without distractions, merging silent performance with adaptable structure. It redefines airflow delivery with its large air outlet, pushing out a stronger breeze that cools fast and efficiently, even during high-output work sessions. Its clever hanging design lets it mount directly onto your computer monitor, freeing up precious workspace and keeping your area tidy. Slip into a new era of control with Tap XR, designed to fit a wide range of wrist sizes. The package includes 2 adjustable bands, a large spring blue band for wrists over 6.25 inches and a small starlight band for wrists under 6.25 inches in circumference. Setting up takes just minutes with the exclusive mobile apps, allowing you to master tapping techniques anytime, anywhere. Tap XR delivers 2 powerful modes, a fully functional keyboard and an intuitive air mouse. The Movingine AirCore OWH redefines what wireless headphones can sound and feel like. Forgoing the trend of closed-back over-design, these headphones adopt a bold, open-back architecture enhanced by their unique AirCore hollow acoustic structure. This isn't just a design choice. It's a philosophy that embraces space, detail, and realism. With a carefully tuned neutral sound signature, the AirCore OWH resists exaggerated highs or swollen lows, aiming instead for purity and precision that mirrors a high-end speaker setup. The V-neck Pillow Lounge redefines comfort for modern travelers, offering unparalleled convenience and support. Whether you're navigating busy airports, relaxing by the pool, or enjoying a long flight, this innovative pillow adapts effortlessly to your needs. In seconds, it transforms into a fully functional air lounge, providing a perfect spot for you to relax during breaks in your journey. Designed with portability in mind, the pillow is lightweight yet supportive, ensuring that your neck and head remain well cushioned. Its versatile nature allows you to use it not only for neck support, but also for lounging anywhere you need. Engineered for precision and comfort, this 360-degree rotation metal phone stand delivers flexibility with effortless style. Its fully rotatable hinge lets you adjust your phone to virtually any angle, perfect for hands-free FaceTime, Zoom calls, or streaming. Easily switch between portrait and landscape modes for a personalized, comfortable viewing setup at home or on the go. The tilt and height adjustments take just 1 second, offering instant relief from neck strain and poor posture. Stay active without sacrificing your time or comfort. The Cursor Fitness under-desk elliptical machine transforms passive sitting into low-impact motion, seamlessly fitting beneath desks and in front of chairs for convenient daily movement. Whether you're clocking hours at your computer, enjoying a book, or watching TV, this compact elliptical helps burn calories, ease joint stiffness, and strengthen muscles, all without leaving your seat.